Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4 on Oracle Linux 9. See, I am on Oracle Linux 9.5. Go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Hit enter, click on download, then click on Linux, then select the Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. See, the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports RHL, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux, CentOS and CentOS, Oracle Linux and Fedora. Okay, so select the version of the PostgreSQL. See, the latest one is 17. Then select the operating system. See, here we have the Oracle 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so select Oracle Linux, Oracle version 9. See, once you selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install the PostgreSQL 17.4. So copy the first one, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, all done, Control L. Now disable if there is any PostgreSQL built-in module, hit enter. Control N. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 17-server. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL server 17 and these dependencies. Type and hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 17.4. Then initialize the database. Copy the first command, that is init db command, paste it, hit enter. Sorry, Control C. I haven't copied. Copy it. Control L to clear screen, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL 17 is installed, but it is not started and disabled. So, quit. First enable sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL -17. It is done. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. See, PostgreSQL is active and running and it is enabled. Quit. And also see here, this is the data directory and these are the background processes running for the PostgreSQL server. Logger, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher, logical replication launcher. Okay, and these are the PIDs for these processes. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server. This is the psql client version. To verify the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.4. The first step after connecting PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, which is super user. /du is the command to check the list of the users, or we can check the select use name from pg_user. See, we have only one user. Now reset the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the new password. Whatever the password is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully set the password for the Postgres user. Now we will create a database. To verify list of databases, use the \l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. We can also get the same information by running the command select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Let us create a database. Create database This typo. Let me drop and create. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, new database bank is created. We can also verify the same by using \l. The comments that start with \/ are called as meta commands. Hit enter. See, new database is there, and this is the owner name. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the \c or \connect. Either is fine. Okay. Then we have to give the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Verify list of tables \dt. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. See, we have table. See, in this schema we have created table, and this is the owner of the table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create a user. Create user. We have successfully created. Verify. See, user James is created. Now connect to PostgreSQL with this new user. \q is the command to quit from the PostgreSQL server. Now type psql -u. Provide new username -d. Provide the database name. Then -h localhost. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this James user. Whatever you have given. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL with this new user. Okay. Exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server on Oracle Linux. We can't start or stop with this Postgres user. See here, the currently logged in user is Postgres. So exit from this user. Now stop. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Just replace this stop with status. See, PostgreSQL is inactive or dead. Q to quit. Now start it again, or we can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su -postgres psql. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So exit from this Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL 17. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started 3 seconds ago. Q to quit. Now, if you want to restart, just replace this status with restart keyword or flag. Hit enter. Verify. See, PostgreSQL is restarted 2 seconds ago. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL by using psql client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel for how to install dbeaver or pgadmin on Oracle Linux. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.4 on Oracle Linux. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.